I feel like it's only right if I do the Dora song.
Backpack, 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 backpack. All the backpack loaded up with things and knickknacks too.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm giving you guys what you want. I'm giving the people what they asked for, and we are finally back with some university content. I know I promised you guys a bunch of videos, and here they are. We're getting them started. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I carry in my uni rucksack. Hopefully this will be helpful for you guys if you're wondering what sort of things you'll need to bring to lectures, to seminars, and just for like a general day. Okay, so the bag that I carry for uni is this rucksack. It's from Tommy Hilfiger, and it's just like this navy blue colour. And then I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but it kind of has like a pattern all over the bag, and the straps are like stars. Also, you need to decide whether you're like a rucksack person or like a handbag person. I'm not really a big handbag person for uni bags, only because I don't really like carrying big handbags, if that makes sense. All of like my handbags I own are like cute sizes, so they're like smaller. Yeah, that's just me, but you do you, innit? I ain't judging. Anyway, so in my front pouch I have my glasses case. I wear glasses like all the time, so I always carry a pair of glasses with me. And then what else has your girl got in here? Okay, so honestly I don't really carry a pencil case with me to lectures. I just kind of stick a couple pens and highlighters in the front of my bag. So literally I have 2 pens and 2 highlighters, and I'm not kidding you, like I'm like, it's probably better to carry a pencil case. Like, I would recommend. I start the year with a pencil case, but then sometimes I forget my pencil case at home. So I always, because if I've been using it, so I always try and just keep some stuff in my bag constantly. That way, like, I'm never penniless. I come prepared. What else does a sister get in here? So I also have my keys. These are my house keys, actually, for home, not for uni, but if you're in first year, you will have your keys to get into your accommodation, and also to get into your room as well. So I would definitely recommend like having a keychain and stuff like that. So this is my one. Like, I can literally just stick my hand in my bag and feel for this rather than trying to find these tiny pair of keys. So then I also have my like purse. I carry a really small purse just because I think I've told you guys this before, but like nights out, it's so much easier when it's in a small pouch because you can just stick it in your pocket or hold it in your hand. So I love this because I can either hook it to myself. Well, I used to be able to hook it to myself, but I broke the thing, so we can't do that anymore. The good thing about these pouches is that these sorts of pouches is with your university card, it taps through it, so you don't always have to like take it out. So literally you just stick it on the sensor and bada boom, bada boom. But that's not how I say it, that's wrong. Bada bing, bada boom, you're back in business, you're in, you're ready to finesse. This one, like up north, yeah, it's cold, and when it's cold your lips suffer. Standard, bring some form of lip balm. Like, actually do not forget your lip balm. There are so many times I've been sitting in a lecture and I can't even focus because my lips are so dry and I just keep licking them. So then in the main bit of my bag we have a hairbrush. Like I said, you've got to be looking good 24/7, okay? When I used to leave my room to go for lectures, I didn't always end up going back to my room straight away, like after a lecture or after a seminar. Sometimes I would go to a friend's accommodation, or I'd go for lunch, or I'd go end up having to go into town, or even going to the library, like literally just anything else. And sometimes your lips need a little bit of a touch up, your hair's looking a bit you're good, you're Gucci. Fix up anywhere, any place, anytime. You will need it. Like, some of you will say this is silly, but when your hair's looking all sorts of crazy in the library and you see your MCM walk in, what are you going to do then? And then I also have a water bottle. Obviously it's empty. I've got a little bit left in it. But yeah, so I carry a water bottle. There's water fountains everywhere, so obviously you can just fill it up. This one is not for... This is not for the mandem, okay? You lot just like ignore this part, like give it a minute or two, then just like start paying attention again. Right, cool. The next thing I would definitely say that every girl should keep in their uni rucksack is one of these bad boys, and that is just like a little feminine pouch. So I would highly recommend kind of having an emergency stash in your bag, kind of like tucked away, not just for you but for anyone else who might need one, because let me tell you, sis, Mother Nature doesn't send notifications of when she's coming. Mother Nature does not knock on the door and wait for you to answer. She just walks right in. I actually have not stocked this up in a while, so I don't really know my house. I have some Feminax in here because Feminax saves lives. If you don't know, get to know. I've got Rennie in here. You never know. Oh. Yeah, and then literally just the goods. You got some tampons and some pads as well. I probably actually need to refill this up. And yeah, and then I also actually, well, this isn't really relevant to like feminine like stuff, but I also carry contacts as well. You never know when you're gonna need it. So this is basically just like a pouch with the goods in it. Like, get yourself a feminine pouch, okay? And then obviously these are like the actual things you need for lectures that like would actually probably benefit your learning and would help you like pass the year. I don't know, maybe just a smidge. So yeah, I have a pucker pad. I would just use that to write some of my notes for my lectures. This is obviously one that I started using last year. I haven't finished it, and don't get twisted, honey, I'm definitely buying new ones for this year. But yeah, so obviously, but just to show you guys, also carry my laptop as well, and I would carry my charger because you never know. Bring your laptop to your lectures, just because depending on the lecturer, depending on the type of lecture, sometimes it's just easier to write on the lecture slides. So you should just add notes onto the lecture slides. Some people prefer to create a whole new Word document and just add notes onto it. And if you choose not to type your lecture notes up, sometimes if the lecturer, you know, the lecturer goes through the slides really fast, it's good to also have it on your own computer, even if you're writing, so that you can kind of not go at your own pace, because you should really be paying attention to what the lecturer is saying, but like you can flick back and forth between slides. So that is it. There you have it, the tea, the juice on what I carry in my uni rucksack. But yeah, hopefully you guys found this useful and it's giving you some ideas of stuff you may have forgotten to add, or kind of got you thinking about whether you want to be using your laptop or just making notes. But yeah, I will see you guys next week with another upload. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button as well if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content. I don't just create university videos, I also do other stuff like lifestyle and vlogs and advice videos. So if you want to see more of my content, then hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I will see you guys next week with another upload. Bye.